Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're gonna cook an artichoke. How to steam an artichoke, coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, I'm gonna do keto recipes, how to steam an artichoke, and you're gonna love it. This high-fat food, low-carb food is really, really good, and I've started to incorporate it into my ketogenic diet. I've lost a significant amount of weight through keto. Here's my before and after. And I've loved incorporating these in as a new fat source. Basically what I'm gonna do, and I'll show you, it's really simple, is you get an artichoke. I like to get the organic ones from Whole Foods, but that don't self be true. Do the best you can afford. Get it, you're gonna cut off the bottom stem a little bit. You're gonna prune the leaves. I have fancy scissors, but you can just use regular old-fashioned scissors. Kind of prune some of the leaves a little bit, and we're going to put them in a steamer basket. I've already got my water to a boil. I already filled it up for about 1 inch in there, and I do have a steamer pot in which has these little prongs. I put it down in there, and I can put my artichoke in here once I have it completely pruned. Let me show you how to prune it really fast.
I'm simply just going to cut the end off of this artichoke and make sure that it will be able to be put in my steamer basket a little bit more easily. Then I'm taking my fancy schmancy scissors, just kidding, and I'm pruning the sides of these to make it so the steam can access the actual artichoke part a little bit, in the artichoke heart a little bit easier. I'm pulling it back so when it steams, it'll be able to steam easier.
Here's my scientific method. I simply just squeeze a whole bunch of lemon juice into my boiling water, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my steamer down, put this bottom side facing up. Sometimes it doesn't fit depending on how big it is, and I'll roll it kind of to the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on top. I'm going to go ahead and let that steam for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm going to check on it at the 20-minute mark, but if yours is bigger, come back, and I'm going to get my melted butter all set for it.
So for this keto recipe, I wanted to check in on it. It's not done yet, so I'm going to close the lid, come back and check on it in a couple of minutes. And here, my Sweet Dog applesauce, I checked on it, and it is now finished because it has a little bit darker green. You can see the difference in color. So here's what the artichokes look like when they come out of the steamer pot. I put them with melted butter to make it a higher fat ketogenic diet meal. I love having this to break my intermittent fasting. You simply pull off the leaves, pull it out, put it in your teeth, and make that go in between your teeth to have the meat, so to speak, of this vegetable. And you just eat that part, which is the artichoke heart, dipped in butter for a high fat, moderate protein, low carb meal. It's very filling. It's a great intermittent fasting breaker. I love it to have for weight loss too. It's a really good, easy keto recipe to have. And look, bon appetit, all done. If you like this video, click like, subscribe, and sign up for my free email newsletter.